Welcome to my channel. I hope your day is going great. And today we're going to be doing makeup with my mama, Wendy Beth. Any words that you would like to start off the channel with?
I hope wherever you are in this world, you are living in love and loving yourself and sharing that love with everyone that you are around. Okay, when I talk.
Perfect. And then when I die.
Okay.
Perfect. I love it. Okay, let's see. Can I have that mirror? Wait, let's put this in. I want to see if this can be ASMR.
What does ASMR mean? It's sound?
It's when people, they're like full videos dedicated to just sound.
Tiny sounds like crickets chirping or the fire crackling or a bear growling.
Exactly. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do like thirds of my face, red, yellow, and blue. Oh my gosh, which will blend into a rainbow, right?
Right. So you were telling me earlier today about when you first came out and when you first started recognizing that these kind of videos, just people living life, really supported you in honoring the truth of who you feel you are.
I have drag queens and boys comfortable wearing makeup to thank for a lot of my expressibility and the way that I express myself in this world. Okay, real quick. So is this gonna be should I do blue and white? So it's like so it's more like my jean color, probably?
Try it.
Maybe I'll do that. Okay. Either with Joan, which was my mom's girlfriend when she was 20, or in other times of life, did you ever go to drag shows? Or no? Was that not like a thing where you lived? Because I'm kind of curious.
You know what? I remember we would go to gay bars.
Mm-hmm. Oh, didn't you go to the Sun Trap or no?
It wasn't called the Sun Trap then. It was called the Sun.
But the one that's in Salt Lake City?
In Salt Lake City.
That's so fun. I've gone there. I went there for the first time this past Wednesday.
I don't think I ever met or saw a drag queen. I don't think I did.
Yeah. Utah, even now, it's like there's only a few drag queens here.
Mm-hmm.
So 30 years ago, I would imagine it would have been even more like taboo,
right,
to be a guy who wears makeup here.
Right.
Because it's still a taboo. I'll be back momentarily.
Yes.
You ready, Q-tip?
While he's gone, I am going to add a little bit of gold. Let's see. A little bit of gold to my eye. I don't wear very much makeup, but that gold looks so pretty. Can you see the sparkles? We'll put this on too.
Ooh, fun.
I was just putting on a little bit of green.
Love it.
A little bit of gold, I mean.
Perfect.
And then a little bit of red.
The dream.
That's kind of fun.
What piece?
Glittery.
Oh, up in your eye. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like it. This inner eye is going to be rough with the blending. It is kind of working though,
Mm-hmm. You know what I'd do? Do this eye a little bit more with your other one, just like you did on this one, because your green kind of comes right down to here.
Oh, versus less on that side.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anywhere that's like super obviously not blended? Or would you say it's pretty?
No, it's
pretty
awesome.
Solid colored.
Mm-hmm. It's totally amazing.
I believe. Okay.
Do you want this?
May I please? I appreciate it. What were your thoughts the first few times that you saw me put makeup on? Or like what went through your mind as you started seeing me start being more non-traditional, I guess I'll say it in that way.
So my first thoughts were of protecting you, because you were feeling, even though you were doing what was true for you, it was very scary for you. Celebrating you.
Can I say, look how cool this
Yeah.
After the fact, if I added clouds into it,
oh yeah,
that could be very cool. But please keep going. I just had to hype myself up.
There was this balance of wanting you to be yourself and protecting you from what not only the world, not only what people will or can or do say to you, but also just that inner battle that it was so evident. I wanted you to be safe. I wanted you to absolutely do what felt true for you.
So then you brush off all the excess powder, and it's just kind of like baked it into your skin. And then after I do this, then I'll do you like redo it with powder on top. So let's see. Okay, I did like the addition of the green in there. It's kind of fun. To make it actually kind of purple, you know? Gosh. Do you know who that is?
It might be Norma.
Ooh. Fun. And so my race against the clock begins, my friends. She was correct.
So there's one thing that I would think is you have this. If you put blue in your eyebrows and your eyelashes.
Ooh, wait.
it's gonna be
Oh, yeah,
amazing.
that's so cool. Oh, yeah, that's sick.
Watch this.
Great idea, Mother. It's kind of interesting with someone else here. It's very clear to me how much self beat up I do when I do my makeup. It's kind of shocking to me, you know?
Really?
Yeah, like I don't obviously really love it the way that how critical I am of as I'm doing this. Because it's like, why be critical? Like it is giving me no value to be critical of myself, you know? Wow. I get to be okay with this.
Do you like it?
I'm so mad at it right now, honestly.
Why?
So it happens pretty much every time I do my makeup that I have a vision in my head of what I want it to look like. And when it doesn't come out like it, I just hate it. Like I get so angry at like the fact that I couldn't do it.
What do you like about it?
I do like the gradients. I think they're cool. But it's honestly, actually, you know what? I need to be completely honest. I honestly don't even really which is so frustrating to me that I can't really find things in it that I like.
So I would put this makeup in the chair. Right in your mind. Do you want to try it? You can do 2 or 3 and then you could figure out the message.
Oh. We shut the door. I just asked my mom to go shut the door because the woman who came over, every time she comes over and she sees me with my makeup on, she like really is shocked by it. And it makes me feel so self-conscious that there's something wrong with it, you know? So that's the reason why.
What are the thoughts that you're having right now?
It's very nice that even just from voicing that, I'm getting confidence again. And I was like, oh, this is actually kind of cool looking. This is like, I enjoy this, and it does not, really it wouldn't matter even if, like my mom was saying, Norma's the sweetest person, like in this entire world. But even if she did not like it, that's fine. I get to do it for me. I don't do this for anyone else's enjoyment besides my own.
And I think one of the most important things that you just shared is that when we voice those thoughts in our head and bring them out, most of the time they just dissolve and disappear. When we leave them inside, they
Fester.
That's such a disgusting word, but that's really what they do. And they become so destructive if we don't just speak them.
We have the eyes.
I think it looks amazing just like this.
Just right now? And then putting a black outfit on or something that's like very simple, or rainbow.
And then flick your hair back.
Okay. Let's go try that next.
Okay.
Lovely. finished the photo shoot and we took our photos. And I hope you have an amazing day. We love you. And if you want to subscribe to me on other stuff, I have Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, OnlyFans. Feel free to support me on it all. I love you. Bye.
Love you.